Hello everybody! Today I would like to give you some insights into the test and measurement market. "2020 was a difficult year so far. COVID-19 characterized by weak sales in all segments, interruption of the supply chains because of the closed factories, and with the sudden shortage of key components on the world market brought a big pressure to the industry. 2020 was a difficult year so far due to the lockdown for the industry, characterized by weak sales, availability problems, and suddenly shortage of key components like microchips, memory chips, and IR sensors. The current market reaction is cautiously optimistic with great respect for the next weeks and months. 2020, we saw a very short-term shifting of product groups, especially oxygen and CO2 sensors. Oxygen sensors you need to measure ventilation systems. CO2 meters are especially used in indoor air quality measurement in offices and schools to avoid the formation of aerosols. Conrad has already at the very beginning of the pandemic significantly increased the stock levels and worked very closely together with our key suppliers in order to secure availability of products for our customers. A lot of future products will carry a lot of integrated sensors on board. This requires simultaneously measuring of many channels with high speed and high accuracy. Environmental measurement technology is getting more and more important through innovative sensors, for example, optical measurement technologies. The RF generator will become a must-have product in every laboratory because of the increasing importance of radio frequency technology measurement for wireless data transmissions like 5G, IoT, or connected devices. Faster and faster networks like Wi-Fi or LAN, or in the future particularly fiber, will require better and better measurement technology for networks, not only for certification but also for effective troubleshooting. Sonic imager will replace complex troubleshooting in many areas, for example, compressed air systems, water and gas networks. Some technology, such as thermal imaging sensors, will getting more and more affordable. This opens a complete new range of applications. So for instance, we will see a thermal imaging camera in every toolbox of an HVAC technician. We will see digitalization of technology even in very traditional segments like weighting measurement and scales. Our evergreen, the multimeter, will become more and more like a Swiss Army knife. Robust and highly accurate at the same time with many additional features like power torch, Wi-Fi modules, thermal imaging sensors, and new types of displays allowing warning functions for the customers. There are topics becoming extremely important by COVID, such as temperature measurement in entrances and thermoscans in highly frequented areas. And also CO2 measurement. CO2 measurement can easily show you when it's the right time to open the window and avoid formatting aerosols. Conrad also provides an exclusive application with smart sensors in combination with Conrad Connect. What can you expect from Conrad in the remaining year 2020? We put test and measurement on our focus campaign European-wide. 75,000 products, up-to-date listings of our key suppliers, and over 16 campaigns with price advantages are waiting for you. Conrad is and will be a strong partner by holding significant stock and the latest products for our customers. Digitalization will change a lot in test and measurement. Conrad will always hold the latest products of our key suppliers for our customers. Temperature measurement and CO2 measurement will be very important in the next few weeks to fight against COVID-19. Conrad will provide traditional solutions as well as very innovative solutions in combination with Conrad Connect. Our test and measurement campaign till end of the year is a great chance to get the latest products of our key suppliers and a lot of attractive promotions for our customers. So there would be much more to tell you about test and measurement. Let me know your questions. Thank you and have a nice day.